everyone, do you remember the epic rivalry between Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir? If you do, let me tell you, you're a true cricket fan because the rivalry is back. Yes, I'm talking about the 10th match of the IPL, which is in between the Royal Challengers Bengaluru and the Kolkata Knight Riders. I will give you all the information, all the stats and the fantasy teams in this video, so watch the video till the end. Now we'll talk about the head-to-heads. So both the teams have played in total 32 matches, where Royal Challengers Bengaluru have won only 14 matches while the KKR have an upper hand, winning 18 matches. Now I'll talk about the pitch report. So the Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru is known for its flat tracks. While the batters enjoy batting on the pitch, you know the conditions of the bowlers really well. Any score is chaseable on the ground and hence, the captain who wins the toss should by default look to chase first. Now we'll talk about the players to watch out for. For Royal Challengers Bangalore, it's Virat Kohli. Talking about Virat Kohli, he is one of the best batters in the world. Currently, he is in his prime form and looking to smash the bowlers left, right and centre. If you will look at the previous 2 matches of the IPL, he has played extremely well. So hence, he is the player to watch out for Royal Challengers Bengaluru. For Kolkata Knight Riders, the player to watch out for is Andre Russell. Andre Russell is one of the most dangerous batters in the world. If we will look at the match against Sunrisers Hyderabad, he played an extraordinary innings and helped KKR win the match. Hence, we'll be looking forward to more such innings from him, and thus he is the player to watch out for KKR. Now we'll talk about the players' battle. So our first battle is between Virat Kohli and Sunil Narine. Virat Kohli has faced 106 deliveries and scored 106 runs, while Sunil Narine has taken his wicket 4 times. The next battle is in between Faf du Plessis versus Varun Chakravarti. Faf has played 30 balls and scored 42 runs, while Varun has dismissed him once. The next battle is in between Andre Russell versus Mohammad Siraj. Andre Russell has scored 22 runs of 19 balls, while Siraj has taken his wicket twice. The last battle is in between Nitish Rana versus Glenn Maxwell. Nitish Rana has scored 15 runs of 10 balls, while Maxwell has taken his wicket only once. Now we'll talk about the upcoming milestones. So Sunil Narine is just 1 game away from completing his 500 T20 matches. Next is Faf du Plessis, who is 5 sixes away to reach his 150 IPL sixes. The next one is Shreyas Iyer, who is just 1 6 away from completing his 100 IPL sixes. Next is Andre Russell. He requires just 2 wickets to reach his 100th IPL wicket. The last one is Dinesh Karthik, who requires just 5 boundaries to complete his 450 boundaries in IPL. Now we'll talk about the fantasy teams. I'll give you 2 combinations and you need to choose one for yourself. So our first team is Philip Salt, wicketkeeper, Virat Kohli, Faf du Plessis, Rinku Singh, Shreyas Iyer, Glenn Maxwell, who is the vice captain, Andre Russell, who is the captain, Sunil Narine, Cameron Green, Mitchell Starc and Mohammad Siraj. If you aren't happy with the first team, you can always go for the second team. The second team is Philip Salt, wicketkeeper, Dinesh Karthik, wicketkeeper, Virat Kohli, captain, Faf du Plessis, Rinku Singh, Glenn Maxwell, Andre Russell, Sunil Narine, who is the vice captain, Cameron Green, Mitchell Starc and Mohammad Siraj. All the match details are given to you in this video. Choose your fantasy teams wisely. Also, if you want any more information, do visit our Trick Tracker website. You'll get all the information